Good morning, my beautiful people. I'm still in Istanbul, and that's the suite behind me. It's where we stay. A beautiful panoramic windows, and honestly, second time I'm in Istanbul, and now it looks totally different. Maybe because of the view, or maybe because of the location. I don't know. And the plan for today is that we are going to the Princess Island. So let me actually try to get outside. Yeah, the door is very heavy. Wow. Oh, it's actually cold. Nice, nice. So that's the panoramic view. Oh, we have over here like that. So that's all Istanbul that I could never ever imagined it can look like this. For me, it's like Singapore. I don't know why. I don't know why. So we're going to the Princess Island today. Wow, that's windy. Now we're going for breakfast. So I will see you a bit later. I'm gonna show you, if I will get a chance, how it all looks like. Ah, so nice. Yeah. Bye. Request Uber here in Istanbul. The only version of the car that you're gonna get is gonna be a little minivan. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So regarding your order, the car will be always similar to this, and that's how that looks like. You have three seats in front of you, driver, remote controllers down here, and the view. This is the schedule for the ferries to go, and we're going to the island number 1 in orange. It is called BESIKTAS, so that's where we're going to. These are the tickets, 2 tickets, so one direction is around 7 liras. So we got this and the schedule's in the hands, so let's go. Waiting for it to be here, so excited. Guys, okay, so we're now in the boat, moving a little bit, it's just started, so we're going to the Princess Islands. I want to show you a little bit of facts. So the islands were used as a holiday resort for the Ottoman Empire, so the Sultan used to go there, and the place is totally forbidden against any motorized vehicles, so there are no cars. You can only go there and take the horse-driven coaches, or you can take a bicycle. Otherwise, there is no other way to move around. Drive gonna take almost 2 hours to reach there. And as soon as we reach, I'm gonna update you because I'm so excited. Never tried it before. Just arrived, and look, we have a bride, Turkish bride. Wow, so beautiful. She was traveling with us. Wow, so beautiful. All right, let's go. That's the city. So we're here on the island. You already saw the bride. Fabulous. She looks amazing. Her dress is traditional, beautiful. And we are still in the port. So I just wanted to show you how many birds are sitting here and waiting for food, maybe. So we're trying to spot the rickshaw, or the famous carriage here with the wheels that can take us around the islands. And of course we're craving some local food. Kanafi, we are in love so much. We came to one of the places to get desserts, and I want to show you quickly how it looks like. Check. Ponchik. Yeah? Oh, okay, so that's Russian word ponchik for that. Ooh, very nice. Look, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Like this. So let me try. So that's how it looks like in Russian as ponchik. Like this, inside.
Ponchik is fun.
Bon appetit! And because I already told you guys that there are no cars, no motorized vehicles, there is this Phaeton station just over here that you can take exactly this carriage. But the queue is, look, it's like all the way straight and down. Ah! Yes, that's the only way. We're wandering around the city and there is such a... I told you already about the queue. We're hunting for one of those. I'll show you. I will show you now. We decided to get the Phaeton on our way. Maybe we will find a driver without any passengers. I like this house because this house matches my dress. It's very good. And the whole street has cute colors like my Zoldy pink. This house has nice colors. So we took now one of this Phaeton. We got the red seat, looks like this, the leather, and I'm gonna show you the horses in front of us just because we want to see the island. I love horses. Don't please comment, guys, that you know, I'm using horses and I'm into Greenpeace, but it's just the only way to see the islands. Another way is the bicycle, but bicycles, it's not the convenient. I have only dresses, so please don't judge me here. We are going to see the city. It lasts 45 minutes. We're gonna come back to the initial place, and the price is 75 Turkish lira. And behind